All right, more tables, more problems. Let's get into it. We got the save file format. It's a 7x7 grid. Around here is the level data. Around here is the prefab data. In the center is a 5x5 grid of thumbnail chunks. They are all 128 by 128 pixels. Remember that, because I don't have enough time to fucking say it again. Unit tests on any environment. Tags define things, and then a new section called more file format lookup tables. We have the thing called a void map, and the ones right here are for the void cells in the thumbnail. They don't map to any data. They're not data backed. Here's our pigeonhole principle. So we start off with all zeros in our bird holes, and at the end of the test, we want this layout here. Okay, we got some variables. Pause to read these, because I ain't got no fucking time. We're going to loop through all C49 cells twice. First for the top half, then for the bottom half, because prefabs only cover the first 4x2 half of a master memory cell. Okay, so we're gonna use the C49 to grab out C4X, C4Y, which is a cell position on the master memory layout. Like, we're gonna take a master memory cell, carve it into a 4x4 grid. This is whether or not we're on a void thumbnail cell. If we're on a void thumbnail cell, or if the C4X, C4Y is a trap value, then we are not going to enter here. Otherwise, we want to know what kind of C49 cell we have. And if we are on the bottom half and it's a prefab cell, we're going to shift down to the bottom 4x2 block of cells overlaid over the master memory. We have the offsetted C4X, C4Y. We have the index of the non-offsetted, the index of the offsetted, and we're going to increment our bird holes right here, and then we're going to do a back and forth conversion here, depending on what type of C49 cell we have. Notice the asymmetry here. That is intentional. If we have a trap value, we're not going to do this. Otherwise, we're going to do a back and forth conversion test. Make sure the got C49 is equal to C49. And if it's not equal, we're going to throw an error here and complain. Then we're going to do our pigeonhole principle. Go through every single C49 cell, and if it's not equal to the bird key, then we're going to throw a fucking tantrum right here. Okay, besides that, that's it, okay? So if you want a longer fucking explanation, you're going to have to go here, because we do not have time to go into any more detail here. Source code is here, and you can email me here. Like and subscribe.